Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It's actually pretty nice outside right now. 75 degrees, partly cloudy, but a lot of sunshine out there. Who do we have first in the chat today? Way back up there, we've got Frank. What's going on, Frank? We got Frank, Dark Bro, Tyler, Quinn, Nick F, Dark Bro, Chris, Tyler, Dark Bro, Nick, Chris, Tyler, Frank, Moody, Tyler, Sean, Tyler, Steven, Stefan, PS5, Matthew, Sean, Dark Bro, Frank, Claybro. What's going on, Claybro? Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Tyler, Jeannie, Randy, Mark, Daz, Robert, Pudgy, Ruben, Michael, and Chris. What's going on, guys? Let's see what's going on over in the market right now. We've got AMC in the top left, finally back in the green today, sitting 1.75% higher. Shiba Inu coin, 1209, down, basically break even. GameStop, that nice green candle right there, sitting at 28.15, up 1.08%. And we still got Terra Luna Classic bouncing off that 28,000 level, sitting at 29,000 points per coin right now. Pretty interesting afternoon with all of the, I guess, information about Kwon circling around out there. Overall, the market is still in positive territory today, bouncing nicely into the close right now. GameStop up, Your Therapeutics up, AMC up, Ethereum up, Shiba break even, Bitcoin down right now. Sundial up, Mullen Auto sitting at 53 cents, CEI down, SPY is up, BBIG down, Highcroft Mining down, Netflix up slightly, Clovis down to $1.39 right now, Box sitting up 5%, Revlon sitting at 651, Terra Luna Classic down 18%, we're going to watch that bad boy, QQQ sitting up 0.5% right now, and Ape sitting at 1.32% higher at $5.38. So we got going on over in the chat. Click. I see Lucky Stotts first in the chat. Lucky Stotts probably is first in the chat, man. Lucky Stotts first in the chat. My my Discord thing has the pin is above the first chat then. Lucky Stotts. Whoa, what just happened there, man? We're losing lights. Bring that bad boy back up, man. What is going on? We don't want to lose these lights like that. What's happening over here? Somebody call base, man. We shouldn't be unplugging things. That's bad. Next, I'll unplug the computer and ruin everything. Discord message blocking Lucky Stotts from the first place. Yes, it is. Lucky Stotts, sorry about that, man. Clearro's name is black and yellow because he is a huge Steelers fan. Nah, dude. No, I don't even care about football, but I will say, nope, Steelers, Browns are going to win, man. Browns are going to win. Browns are going to beat the Steelers. Whoo! We're here every single live. Near Pan, I love it. How low will TLC, Terra Luna Classic, go? I need more. Daz, very good question. I don't have the answer to it, but what we can do is look at these levels of support, okay? And we could tell this 28,000, this line has been on here for quite some time now. And we could tell that 28,000, this area right here, has really been holding up. Even if it curls back over, a technical trader would expect to bounce off this 28,500 area. Could come a little lower before it bounces, could bounce right there at that level, but one would expect it to bounce off this level again. If it breaks through it, 26, if we're looking at an hourly chart, we can see that range is, it's not a very dramatic range, but nonetheless, 28's been holding up very well. Below that, if it does fall, man, this is a major level of support right here. If it breaks this 22, I really wouldn't be surprised to see 16, 12, 10, 8 again. I mean, just if you're strictly basing it off of support lines, I really wouldn't be surprised if it breaks this 22 that we start to see prices like this again. That's not to deter anybody or scare anybody or anything like that, but that is simply using the graph and marking levels of support. So if this area is broken, I would expect to see 22. If for some reason 22 doesn't hold up, I think we're going to go a little further down. But that's what we're looking at right now for levels of support. If you were trying to figure out the absolute best entry for Terra Luna Classic there, which, I mean, is impossible. Nobody's ever going to, unless you're lucky, you're not going to get a perfect entry. Wait, name one player on the Browns. Dude, what's the guy that just went to court because he was doing stuff with 50 different women at massage parlors? I don't know. I don't know if Baker Mayfield still plays for the Browns or not. If so, I'm naming him. If not, there's gotta be a guy named like Johnson or Davis that plays for the Browns, or like Jackson. There's gotta be a Jackson on the Browns somewhere. Did I get it? Did I get it right? that would be who I named there. Watson. Yeah, Watson's one. Watson likes massages. Watson likes massages. That is what Watson likes. I don't know how much he likes football, but he certainly likes massages. Amari Cooper. Yeah, that could be another one. That could be another one for sure. Crypto is being boring today. Yeah, Wouter Van, man. I actually agree. You know, there's a little bit going on with Terra Luna Classic in terms of Kwon today, but other than that, not a ton of action over there. Wish me luck. I'm going golfing. Game plan, don't suck. Minimum beer intake with these guys is 6 beers. I may die. La Pica Pica. La Pica Pica. John J. Dude, tell me you just went 6 iced teas instead. Either way, you're going to have to pee like crazy. So, 6 beers is a lot, dude. It can't be good for you. Go like 6 lemonades, man. 6 lemonades. Be solid on that one. Who's on first? Yeah? Me. Habby. Yeah, the guy really, I don't know. He just likes massages a lot. We'll leave it at that. Happy to be here, bros. Happy to be here. Yes. Is that what you got there? STSY? Happy to be here? I think it is. Look, it's a community-driven coin as posted by millions on Twitter. Enough said. PS5. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. And a lot of people concerned about the Do Kwon thing. I don't know why they would be concerned. The only concern that I have about Do Kwon potentially being arrested in South Korea is that the South Korean government decides that they're going to arrest him on securities fraud or some sort of a securities law. And if they do that, they may consider Terra Luna Classic or UST a security. And if they do that, other governments may follow along and list these coins as securities. If they do, it is going to cause problems for exchanges that want to list it but aren't allowed to list securities. So that's the only really interesting repercussion that I've got in my mind right now. Evan Costello, who's on first? Me! I'm on first, man. It's Austrian. Means hello. Oh, interesting. Sounds like happy to be here, man. Sounds like happy to be here, for real. Dark Bro! Thank you for the ring coin. Thank you for the ring coin. Thank you for the ring coin. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the coin. I don't even know if that's a good thing or not. First thing that pops in my mind is what you get, Dark Bro. I don't know how else to be a coin, man. This is what I say about LUNC. I like it, Dark Bro. He is ready to go with that coin. Should I sell 55% or 50% of my LUNC if it's going down so I don't lose my gains? Red flag. Yes. Yes. Let me put it this way, man. I don't want to see you lose your gains. Okay? I don't know if selling 50% is the best strategy. I don't know if selling 10% is the best strategy, getting out, running just with your profit if you're up 100%, and all of those different strategies. What works for me might not work for you, and so on. But I don't want to see you give up your gains, okay? I would rather see you maintain those gains and either have to jump in a little higher if you think it's going to run, and it ends up being a bad decision, or you maintain those gains and you do get in lower. I mean, either way, man, I don't want to see you have those gains turn into a loss. So whatever strategy works best for you in that situation. Ring coin, Steven, yes, man. Luke seems to have gone to sleep. It is sleeping like a little baby today. It may sleep for the next 6 days, and I'm okay with that. If it sleeps for the next 6 days, guys, imagine. Okay, you can accumulate more. It could be lower in price for when the burns do start. And at that point, here's the thing that you guys got to remember. People watch gains. They don't necessarily watch the losses. So these people that are out there watching Terra Luna Classic go up in value and hundreds of thousands of people pouring in to search volume, seeing what's going on with Terra Luna Classic as it's rising in price over the last couple of weeks here. They're not really here right now. You know, they know that the coin price is going down. They don't really care about why or any of that stuff. If Terra Luna Classic does end up settling down around the lower 20s, 16, whatever it ends up settling at, if we're able to take off from there again, So, and this is the crazy part to me. This is the crazy part to me. People will be more excited about a run from 16,000 to 30,000 than they would a run from 60,000 to 65,000. That 10% run's not going to excite anybody, and they're going to be like, oh, this sucks. We're sitting here at 65,000. Even though the price is still 2 to 3 times more than what we're seeing, they would rather see the runs from 16 to 30. And we could absolutely have that again, running from 16 to 30, if Terra Luna Classic does fall off for the next 6 days, as people are sleeping on the burn tax being released and implemented there. So that's why I don't think it's like a bad idea to protect your gains if you've got some gains there. Fubo is getting 100x like Netflix. Their sportsbook getting popular now that Pat McAfee is saying he loves it. Stonk Squeezer 69, man. I couldn't even name a dude on the Browns, so I probably the worst dude to talk to about sports betting and how popular that is. I think it probably was a little bit more popular as people were receiving those stimulus checks in 2020, and that's why we may have seen a die down without a bunch of disposable income. But I don't know if Fubo is going to 100x. I think it's trading around that $4 to $5 range, and you're thinking it's going to go up to $400 to $500 per share. I really, really don't know, man. Like, my gut wants to say no, it's not going to, but if sports betting turns into something mainstream, I don't see why it couldn't. I think Ethereum's going to pump after the merge. Oscar Perez, man. My personal opinion is that we had a buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal. And with this merge happening, I think that a lot of the pump could actually go to coins like Ravencoin and Ethereum Classic. Let's actually see what Ravencoin's doing, because those are like the two most profitable mining coins that you can mine other than Ethereum. And if you can no longer mine Ethereum, the miners are going to have to mine something, and they're going to move over to the second most profitable coin. So, and you know, you may choose Ravencoin because it's more profitable, but then they might choose Ethereum Classic for, you know, the Ethereum name and blockchain and stuff. So let's look at what Ravencoin is doing. So Ravencoin may already be experiencing some of these gains. Ravencoin is sitting here on a $750 million market cap. And I know it was like 2 cents. Yeah, so 3 months ago, it was sitting at 1.9 cents. And recently, with this Ethereum merge right around the corner this week, we've had a rally from 2.5, 3 cents all the way up to 7 cents. I would imagine it's because you've got miners and people moving over to Ravencoin in expectations of Ethereum no longer being mineable, and Ravencoin gaining some attention there. I don't know what Ethereum Classic looks like. Okay. So Ethereum Classic may have actually experienced a jump slightly earlier and is maintaining these levels, but I don't know if Ethereum Classic jumped for another reason. Going from $14 to $45 is not a bad move in something as big as Ethereum Classic with a $5 billion market cap here, and currently sitting at $37 per coin. So it may have jumped on the early news of the Ethereum merge and maintain those levels, while Ravencoin is kind of like another wild shot out there, going recently, just in the last week, from 3 cents to 7 cents. So do I think that Ethereum's going to jump? I really, really don't know. But my bet would be on these other mineable coins jumping there. But there's so many things to consider with LUNC, and the time for it to shine is coming. Burns will start, supply will fall, and we will rise. It's perfectly fine to see minimal action before the burns. Oh, yes, I couldn't agree more, dude. I actually thought that we were going to stall around this area before we ever ran up. So if you're looking at that hourly chart, I thought we would stall in here. After the staking was re-enabled, we pulled back a little bit. I thought we would stall in this range and never even see these gains here because people would just be waiting for the burns to happen and kind of be unexcited and unattentive to Terra Luna Classic until we do get those burns. And then they're going to get excited again. They're going to say, oh my gosh, this is possible. We can see some gains. This is going to be good. This is going to be great. This is going to be awesome. And then Terra Luna Classic goes up again. So, yeah, and we're still actually above the line that I thought we'd be at. I thought we would be in this range right here between 26 and 22 or potentially even lower. So I agree with you on that one, Dark Matter. Dark Matter. Hey, is J-Bones in here? I went and I mailed Keith's shirt today, and I had a package from J-Bones, and I want to know if J-Bones is in here. Let's see. Deposit is not hit. No new contracts. Yeah, Frank, man, your deposit's most likely going to hit tomorrow morning. I mean, that's just, it sucks, but that is what it is. When they don't update circulating supply, or when will they do it? Valentine Contour. I actually do not know, like, what their criteria is for updating the supply. So I know you might be looking at CoinMarketCap, wondering how often, but I really, really do not know what their criteria is, or I guess their algorithm or whatever they got, and where they draw from. So I wish I did, because a lot of people do ask that, but I don't know how often they update, or if they update and pull their data from somewhere, or what the deal is. Hey, peeps, fist bumps. Roy! Boom, baby, fist bump to you. Made some money off Raven. Very nice, Genie. Hey, man, respect for your job. Bellicus Tokes and Noakes. Thank you very much. Really appreciate the fist bump from you as well. Hey, man, this looks like, yeah. Hello, bros and broettes. Moji, what's going on, Moji? Is Shiba in your portfolio? Yes. Shiba is in my portfolio right now. Yo, Moji, Dark Bro, what's up? So, J-Bones does not seem like he is in the chat right now. I'm looking. Is he in the Discord? Doesn't seem like he's logged on to Discord either. He's off Discord at the moment. We're gonna have to find Moji, man. I got a package from Moji. Let's see. I don't know what's going on over there. MD, how you doing? Hello to you as well. When do you think LUNC will go back up? Golden ears. $1 million question. If I could time trades perfectly, we would all be billionaires. Unfortunately, there's no way to time trades perfectly. So when do I think Terra Luna Classic will go back up? Depends on how high you're talking. I assume that you're talking about going back up to these levels here. 35,000, 45,000, 55,000 points per coin and more. And as opposed to just a bounce off this level here and maybe a little bit of a reaction to the upside because of a bounce off support. So when do I think it can go back up to these levels? I absolutely think that it can go back up to these levels once the burns start, if people remain excited, okay? If the burns come out on September 20th, people might get hyped up September 18th, 19th, and all day on the 20th in anticipation of these burns starting. And they may be buying and causing a lot of commotion and hype because of it. But one of the worst things that we can see are the burns come out, and then maybe we burn 10 million coins. That's going to be a tough blow, dude. That's going to be a tough blow if we've got some really low number coming there, because I feel like a lot of people are going to be disappointed if that's what we see. If the 20th comes around and we burn 10 million coins on the 20th, it's going to be tough for people to stay excited about the burns. If we burn 10 billion coins, that's going to be a different story. I feel like at that point, people are going to be really excited. They're going to realize what these burns can actually do, and we may see a huge rally moving forward. So I would say that around that time frame is when we can see the next catalyst kind of coming into play. Don't hate me, everybody, but AMC needs to open at 850 tomorrow. Then it can move back up to 950. Dude, it can move back up as far as it wants. But just open a little lower so Frank can jump in. After the burn starts, it will be a very short time before we see it back up at those levels. Dark, bro. A lot of people agree with you on that one, man. A lot of people agree with you. The only thing that I don't want to see are the burns start and then people be disappointed by the numbers and say, this is actually just crap. This wasn't working right. After the burns start, it'll be a very short term. So that I've got BETH. What will happen after the Ethereum merge? Idle darkness. I don't know what BETH is. Burn 10 billion then. Let's get it, Robert. Let's make it happen. I wish we can burn 10 billion. I don't know what BETH is. There's a lot of bets out there, dude. Beacon Ethereum? Anchor BETH token? Not sure which one you got, dude. We could look at it, but I don't know which one it is. Idle Darkness. Which one is it, man? Okay. When you stake ETH, would you get that on Coinbase, or where are you staking it from? Clear, bro, just imagine. You know what? I actually did see this. Now I remember this. I think I saw a kid. I think it was on TikTok yesterday. It was either TikTok or it was a YouTube short. Not sure which one it was. Some kid was talking about, and I don't know how this works because I don't stake coins, but this kid was talking about staking your ETH, getting your 4% annualized return, taking your BETH or whatever, your staked ETH, Binance. I think he was talking about CBETH. He was doing it on Coinbase, and then moving your CBETH over to DeFi, and then lending that out on a DeFi platform to make even more money. I don't know if I'd go that route, dude. I don't know if I'd loan out your BETH or your Binance ETH or whatever they're calling it over there. That is risky, but it should be fine, man. It should absolutely be fine. I mean, that is basically just your placeholder for your Ethereum. So don't lose that. I would imagine you lose your ETH at that point. But be careful with it, man. If you're watching these videos from some of these kids out there that are telling you to stake your ETH, make your 4%, and then loan out your BETH or your CBETH or whatever, and make even more return in a DeFi platform, just be very careful. Like, that's your key to get your Ethereum back. Binance could lose people on the platform if they don't support. If they don't, it's a bad business move. Yeah, Acoustic. Their idea, their mentality is they're going to provide cheaper trading. And if they provide cheaper trading, you're going to get more traders on their platform because you can make that 1.2% instead of burn that 1.2%. But you're absolutely right. If they realize they're losing members and they're losing customers because they're not supporting the 1.2% burn, yes, it is going to be a drastic difference. And with that being said, there is a link for KuCoin in the description. Up until this point, KuCoin has made it seem like they're going to be allowing the 1.2% burn. I don't know if they're going to go through with it or not, what the full deal is, but if you want to use that affiliate link and sign up, you absolutely can. If not, whatever, you guys, plenty of platforms out there. Probably using EMP for the DeFi route. JB, I mean, it's a possibility. I don't know. EMP. I'm not exactly sure what EMP is, but JB's the DeFi, man. People need to take into consideration when these burns start is that what we have to be patient. It's not going to burn 100 billion the first day. If it does, then amazing. Dark, bro. I hope they keep expectations realistic. And I would imagine at this point they probably are. So after this fall back down, I think we lost some of the hype traders, the excited, the FOMO traders. I think we lost some of those guys. And right now, we do have a lot more of the lunatics that are out there. and you know, focused on rebuilding Terra Luna Classic. So I would imagine they're maintaining some pretty realistic but optimistic expectations. So that's why I agree with you. I don't want to see a 10 million burn and people are like, oh, this is going to be junk. It's going to take 40 years before we can burn the supply down. I want to see some decent numbers put up. Here again, staking LUNC. What are the risks? Can I lose coins? So Timothy, am I bullish on it? Yeah, so I'm still bullish on... I'm bullish on a squeeze, right? Why? Because the numbers are still there for an AMC stock short squeeze. I don't really care about AMC's fundamentals or like being bullish on AMC, but I don't want to argue the numbers. I mean, I could argue the numbers, but I can't argue the numbers in this situation because the numbers are still there. Roughly 20% short interest, and if there's 20% short interest, there's a chance that the shorts go to cover and it does squeeze. The thing that I don't necessarily like at this point is that at any given time, Adamarian can reduce those short numbers by the entirety if he issues all of those shares of APE. So that's the part that I don't like, is that Adamarian is now in control of the short squeeze, and he's now in control of the potential short interest. But staking with LUNC, positives. You get a vote. You can help decision make on the future of the blockchain. You can earn passive income. You can provide liquidity to the blockchain so that more and more people can buy. Cons, you're locked up, man. You're locked up. So if Terra Luna Classic went to $1 tomorrow, if you staked today and Terra Luna Classic runs to $1 tomorrow, and you stake somewhere that locks your coins up, you're not going to be able to sell. And what happens if it was just some random fluke, man, where Elon Musk accidentally had a typo on his Twitter account and said that he's buying LUNC, and you know I'm out with Bill Gates right now, and we're buying LUNC, and boom, LUNC shoots to $1, man, and everybody made $1 million+ dollars. Everybody's selling it. It's like the world like is just looking in. What is happening? And then Elon Musk goes in and says, lunch. I'm buying lunch. And then all of a sudden, and you had about 3 minutes, dude, 5 minutes. And then it was right back down because Elon Musk accidentally sent his tweet out with LUNC instead of lunch. And then he edited that tweet 3 minutes later, and all of a sudden, right back down to where it was before. In a situation like that, technically, somebody that's not watching it would be screwed as well unless like somebody sent out a massive alert or you got a great friend that's like texting you or calling you, sell it now or something. But yeah, that would be a situation where you would not want to be staked because you would want that liquidity. Musk making a typo would be rare. Robert, yes it would, man. It would be rare for sure. But I could see how it would happen with LUNC from lunch, and I think that you guys could see how it would happen from LUNC to lunch as well, and then you know being corrected immediately after would be crazy. Let's see. Everyone on Binance just move all their LUNC to CEX that is doing burns. JB. Yeah, I mean, on one point, I can't tell you guys what exchange to use. I can point out ones that are doing well that I like. We got links for Webull and KuCoin and Crypto.com and stuff like that in the description if you want to use them. Here's my actual decision. I wouldn't even hold my LUNC on a centralized exchange. Okay, I still have, guys. I don't know if you realize this or not, but like I've got a lot of crypto tied up in Voyager. And I may still use Voyager after they restructure and everything comes up. If they've still got a platform that's usable, I liked that platform. I may use them to buy and sell. I won't use them to hold, though. I certainly won't use them to hold. And I know that there's a whole new risk involved with holding on a platform like MetaMask or Trust Wallet or a Ledger and so on. But, dude, I mean, if these idiots just can go loan out my money at any given time to their kids and expect their kids to never pay it back, and then I'm on the hook because it was my loan to them that they loaned to somebody else, that's not fair. And these crypto loans are not regulated. That's one of the problems with cryptocurrency centralized exchanges. The CEO could literally go loan it to his kid if he wanted to. The kid could go blow it on blow, and then all of a sudden, my money's gone, and they say, dude, you loaned it to us. What did you expect to happen? You're not getting that money back. You took the risk. So, yeah, I don't like these centralized exchanges. But there's no other way to buy and sell your crypto. You have to use a centralized exchange to convert back to US dollars or pounds or yen or won, whatever you're using. Genie B, thank you very much for the super sticker, Genie B. Thank you very, very much. Genie B, absolutely incredible. Really appreciate that. Genie, I don't know if that's your first super chat or not, but thank you very much. And if you've got a question or anything you want to go along with it, I don't know if you can send them with the $2 super chats or not, but please, mods, make sure that Genie B gets answered in the chat. Spotlight on Genie B right now. Thank you, Genie B. Your hair is amazing today. Tyler, thanks, man. I gotta cut my hair, though, dude. I gotta cut it. I was looking at it earlier in the camera here, and with the angle right here, you could tell, like, it's way too long, right? And this just starts poofing out. It's too short to, like, you know, comb over or anything. It's too long to go down, so it just starts poofing out. And I'm gonna have to go in the bathroom and cut it here this week for sure. Yeah, Stefan, exactly what I'm talking about, man. And then they'd be like, well, it's your problem. It's not my problem. Let's see here. Should I buy LUNC now? Dr. Dev, if you're looking for a perfect entry, I don't know if you'll ever find one. If you believe that the burns are going to reduce the supply and this blockchain can be rebuilt, then I would imagine that you're going to see prices higher than where they currently are. Look at LUNC. LUNC's got that green candle on the chart, baby. Jumping in 1 minute from 29.1 to 29.7. Very, very nice minute right there. Coming back down a little bit, but nonetheless, guys, green candles are what we want to see on Terra Luna Classic. Everything is energy with its own unique frequency, which our collective conscience causes to collapse, resulting in the world we know will simultaneously an infinite number of possibilities exist. Brian, I've got a movie suggestion for you, man. Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. If you've got like young kids or something, don't watch it. There's some parts that are probably inappropriate for kids, like especially if you don't want to explain to them what some stuff, why that is happening right there. But you sound like a guy that would really like to watch Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. So Brian, make sure to check that out, dude. It's crazy. If you are looking to get into any crypto, wait until the Ethereum merger tonight. Transparent Trading Live. What's happening, man? Transparent Trade. We got some green candles coming over here on Terra Luna Classic right now. What is going on? Some big minute candles here. I like the way you look, LUNC. Idle Darkness, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Idle's the man, dude. Idle, thank you very much for that super chat. Bro, I swear Coinbase cannot fix anything and respond to their customers. Yes, that's me. Dark, bro. They really can't, man. They really can't. Yes, that's you. Idle Darkness is you? Or somebody else is you? Dark, bro. I want to say this about Coinbase. Okay. Now, I know that Coinbase is like the largest U.S. exchange. They've got like tens of millions of users, like 90 million users, which might be falling at this point, but the last time I looked it up was like 89 million users. Coinbase stopped their affiliate program. And this is kind of like the dumbest thing that I think you can do. When you pause your affiliate program, you are saying, we don't want any more new customers right now. We don't want to grow. And that is stupid. Your affiliate program, and what a lot of these people do, is simply, okay, well, if we end up making a penny off of every trade they make, we'll give you a half a cent off of the trade they make, or a tenth of a cent off of every trade that they make for suggesting a customer. It's a sustainable approach for marketing. You provide us with some customers, bring some people in, get the Coinbase name out there, and in return, you get like, you know, some scraps, right? And we can continue to grow. We'll make a little bit of money off these trading fees. We'll share a little bit of money with you off these trading fees, and so on. But with Coinbase simply saying, no affiliate programs. No, our marketing budget is gone. It's very strange to me that a company would not be seeking growth. especially at a time when you've got other centralized exchanges going down. I mean, you want to steal Voyager users. You want to steal Binance users. You want to steal KuCoin, Uphold, Vald users, Celsius users. You want to steal these guys because they're in the crypto space already and their platform goes belly up. They got to go. They're going to go somewhere. Sure, some of them might never touch crypto again, but the majority of them are probably going to go somewhere, and you want to steal them. Apparently, Coinbase doesn't. And Coinbase says they're too good for us. Anmol Raj, thank you very much for the super chat. Anmol, man, you're the man. Thank you very much for that super chat. And Razi says, what is the further of Matic with Ethereum merge? Dang it. I don't know. Somebody was talking about this earlier, and I didn't like sit and watch their video. But what is the further of Matic with Ethereum, or the future maybe of Matic with the Ethereum merge? And Razi, get another question in the super chat because I feel bad that I don't know the answer for the future or for the further of Matic with the Ethereum merge going on there. I wish I did, man. But I don't know. What's wrong with Uphold? I don't think anything's wrong with Uphold right now, but Uphold did announce that they were depositing, or they were halting deposits and withdrawals a while back. So I don't know if they've fixed their platform by now or not, but back when Voyager announced that they were doing it and then they announced bankruptcy afterwards, Uphold did announce the same thing for at least for a minute there. Let's see. J Bones. Oh my God. And yeah, Razi, man, I am really sorry. I guess future of Matic is misspelled with the Ethereum merge there, but that is my bad for not keeping up on Polygon and Matic there, that I can't really answer that question. If anybody else looks into Polygon or looks into Matic like that and would know, please, man, shed some light because I do feel bad about it. J-Bones, I gotta say, dude, Claybro Neckbeard received a package today. What are we doing with those? Let me know. Are we doing some sort of a giveaway? Like, what is happening with those J-Bones? Like, I was on the phone with my dad. I'm like, dude, this guy's crazy, man. These are some nice things that we got here. So I want to know what your thoughts are, J-Bones. And look, dude, it's you, man. It's you. So if we're doing some sort of a giveaway or something, shoot, dude, you can be in charge of that. Like, whoever you want it to look like, man. But I do want to know, and I want to say sincere thank you very much for that, dude. It's awesome. I know that lady down at the post office, she's got to be thinking, what is going on with this guy, man? He comes down here, he mails these packages out all the time, he gets packages all the time. What's going on? We got to know, like King J-Bones is in the chat today. We got to know what J-Bones wants to do with what. What are the neckbeards? Ooh. He sent me a package, okay? J-Bones sends me a package, and he addresses the package to Claybro Neckbeard. Like, that's my first and last name. I loved it. But I don't know if J-Bones wants me to say anything or not. So that's why I'm not saying anything. Idle Darkness! Thank you for the super chat. Idle Darkness says, one up! One up! One up! Idle Darkness, thank you very much for the one up, man. You guys give me next lives, man. We got some more lives coming in now. Oh, yes. Claybro moving that work. Bro them up, man, and give them out. J-Bones, you're going to have to figure out to who, man. You can't put that on me now. We can bro them up. We can custom bro them if you guys want. If you want to do some sort of a custom giveaway, we can custom. Because, look, those are some nice. Well, you want me to tell them what they are? I don't know if you want me to tell them what they are, right? What we got? And I actually didn't individually open each one of them. So are they all the same size? But yeah, dude, I think that would be absolutely awesome, man. I don't know if you want to come up with the rules, how you want to do this, but I think they're going to be nice, dude, if we bro them up and people be excited about them. Idle Darkness, thank you, Idle Darkness. Absolutely, the OGs were here for the neckbeard bet. Can't shave till... I'm not even going to shave the neckbeard ever, dude. I'll trim it up so it doesn't, like, look ridiculous. And then I've got a neckbeard that comes out to here, and my regular beard is nice and tight. But I do shave this area right in here because I can connect the neckbeard and the chest hair. It doesn't grow in as thick, but yeah, dude, I can connect the neckbeard and the chest hair right there. Look at this. But I keep that shaved up a little bit, but just straight up there. It's ridiculous. Yo, AMC Trapper. Yeah. What do we got here? J-Bones, shed some light, man. Shed some light on what you're going to do, because I'm excited about it. I want these guys to get excited about it, too. Where we at here? Heck yeah. Clay, bro, moving that work for sure. AMC Trapper. Don't connect. Ooh, Idle Darkness. I will connect it, man. I've connected it plenty of times before, and I'll do it again. Nah, that was the bet. It keeps going to keep the stubble on the face. I'll keep the neckbeard like this always, man, dude. But I can't, like, could you just imagine if I was walking around with a neckbeard that was like this by now? I don't know how much you can grow in a year and a half that we've been here. Could you imagine if the neckbeard was down to here and the rest was normal? Dude, that would be so, like, I wouldn't even be able to move my chin like that. That would be crazy. Yeah, that no shave to squeeze will have you looking like a Sasquatch, especially if it's only on the neck, dude. That'd be ridiculous. Click. Does all your hair in your body connect? The ultimate treasure. You know, I never really did like a full analysis, but obviously I can connect like here. I can connect it here onto like the back of my neck there, and probably get it going here. Nonetheless, like this area still connects to up here. Down there, I mean, arm hair. You know, I actually don't have too much going on right here, so no, I would say that like the majority of the arm hair starts like down here, slightly above the elbow. That starts slightly above the elbow. So no, I'm already out now. I mean, there's like, nah, dude, there's no hair there. Extremely small amounts, if any. So no, it doesn't all connect. Unmold. Thank you very much for the super chat. Bro, is LUNC good for futures? Now for 10 USDT. Anmol, I think I understand that correctly. So if you're going to be buying $10 worth of, or 10 USDT worth of Luna Classic, is that a good idea? I don't think it's a bad idea, okay? But, and this is the part that I don't like about questions like this, is that I could say, yes, it's a good idea, and tomorrow you might be able to get in for 26,000 instead of 29,000, and it would have been better to get in. But either way, if it runs up to 50,000, 60,000, 1 cent, and so on, it's still going to be good if you get in here at 29,000. It's going to be good if you get in at 26,000. It's still going to be good if you get in at 15,000, way down here, you know? So it still is good, yes, but if the question you're asking is really, is now the best time to get in? I don't think that's necessarily a fair question, because nobody can actually tell where the absolute bottom is. But at the same time, I don't know. The 8-ball doesn't know. Nobody's going to know the best time. Clipper's one big chia pet. Facts, Trapper. Facts. The more water, the more hair as well. It's crazy, dude. Let's see here. AMC Trapper, new merch. Claybro, chia pets. Dude. Could you imagine if I had some like Alibaba manufacturer just make a little bust of my head and then it was chia? Would you guys get one of those? Would you guys get one of those? I might be going around Alibaba later today trying to hit up some dudes for a Claybro chia pet. Where's J-Bones, man? I gotta get J-Bones. J-Bones, type it in the chat. I wanna know what J-Bones wants to do. I don't even see him anymore. J-Bones, get in the chat, bro him up and give him out, man. What are we doing? J-Bones, you still in here? I need to know what J-Bones wants to do. Prediction for LUNC today. I don't know if anyone else already asked this or not. True North Tactical. My thoughts is we're going to be kind of subdued until we get closer to the burn on September 20th. So my prediction for today, it's going to kind of suck and be an annoying one. But I would imagine, dude, we're going to be stuck between this area that we've kind of been trading in all day today, between roughly 31,000 points, and then down here to 28,000 points. So I would imagine we trade here. If we break up, awesome. If we break down, I don't think it's going to be that big of a breakdown to this 26,000 level. So like I say, that's strictly just a prediction or a guess, but That's what I would imagine, is we're not going to see a ton of excitement until the 20th comes around. J-Bones! Hoodies. 2 medium, 2 large, 2 XL. But I want a large. J-Bones, you're getting a large for sure, man. We're going to have to figure out how to get the rest of those hoodies out. I'm sitting here thinking, shoot, man, I want one of those mediums. But I've already got a bro hoodie. I've got a... Oh, it's downstairs. Oh, actually, it's outside. Crap. I hope it doesn't start raining. I went outside after I went to the post office and took that out there. So, yeah, we're going to have to figure out what to do with these hoodies if we make them custom. And J-Bones, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate that. We're going to figure out what to do with these hoodies. J-Bones. Guys, honestly, we'll make sure we thank him again, but throw a thanks in the chat for J-Bones right now. We've got 6 hoodies that we can give away here. We'll figure out how to do it. We're not going to give them away today, but if J-Bones wants to come up with an idea, or we figure out how to do some sort of a little giveaway event or whatever, we got 6 hoodies to give away. 2 mediums, 1 large, because J-Bones is getting one, and then 2 XLs. So if you guys are in the running, want one of those, want to give them to one of your brothers, your girlfriends, whatever, it doesn't matter to me. But we will be doing that giveaway, and then we can make them custom if you guys want to make them custom, because these hoodies are awesome. But definitely a bro on it, and then we'll do some giveaways. If J-Bones wants to figure out everybody, like if he's just picking, if he's hand-picking 5 other people to get him, J-Bones is picking 5 other people to get him, okay? So try to get on his good side. We can leave it up to J-Bones. If we're doing some sort of a random giveaway, we'll do a random giveaway. But yeah, the dude sent me 6 hoodies, 2 mediums, 2 large, and 2 XLs. And we're going to be doing some J-Bones giveaways with the bro merch there, and some nice hoodies for the fall for you guys to get ready and wear those hoodies all fall and winter long. But yeah, man, definitely show some love to J-Bones in the chat right now. And we'll figure out what to do with that and how J-Bones wants to give those away. But absolutely loving it, man. Very, very generous of J-Bones to do that. I make hoodies and shirts if you want to get in the merch game. Chris, man. I actually do want to get in the merch game. Chris, I mean, I've got, like, what I've got right now, dude. I've got a Cricut, and I can do the ink printing and all that stuff. But, yeah, dude, the merch game could probably be a lot better if... I don't know. I don't know if I really do the quantities that would be necessary. But screen printing, dude, would be probably a huge blessing when it comes to a lot of the merch giveaways and stuff like that. J-Bones, Big Dark and Tim, he's telling right now. J-Bones, pick whoever you want, man. Let's see where we at here. And then Chris, yeah, too, man, you can tell me like what your cost looks like on a lot of your blank shirts, and then I don't know, I don't care. Hit me up. I didn't want to pay like Amazon or Teespring's merch prices. You can get these shirts and stuff when you buy them in bulk for a lot cheaper than what these guys are charging. These guys are really charging like you're going to be doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in t-shirts and hoodies, and then walking away with a 10% margin on it. Eclair bro, been hearing a lot today about SHIB burns not really happening. Why not let SHIB Army burn 1 million from each person and help this grow more? Yak. It's a very interesting concept. What do you do with the people that don't have 1 million? And you can burn 1 million of your Shiba Inu coin if you want to burn 1 million of your Shiba Inu coin. Absolutely. But some people don't even have 1 million. What do you do in that situation? But I think I might have forgot this one. I don't know if I did or not. But Anmol Raj, thank you very much for the super chat. Medium for me, baby. Anmol already gunning for that medium. Let's go. And hey, depending on what happens here, if J-Bones is picking, J-Bones is picking. But yeah, it's really not going to bother me that much if we do some sort of a random giveaway and I have to ship a hoodie to a different country or something like that. The hoodies were a gift, so if somebody wins them and I do have to pay to ship them to somewhere else, I think we can still be on board with that. Just know that I can't guarantee any sort of international shipping like that. So that really is going to be up in the air at that point. If you live somewhere and you want to win a hoodie or something, you want to win a t-shirt, and you're in some someplace that the U.S. Post Office doesn't typically ship to, or international shipping like that isn't as secure, I'm not going to ship you a second hoodie if it doesn't arrive. Let's see. Can I make a costume? Can I make a custom one, please, large, and I can pay for it if like... No, Mo. So yeah, dude, Mo, not a problem at all, okay? Not a problem at all. But these giveaway ones, if you win it, yeah, we can customize it or whatever you want to do like that. But I don't have hoodies in stock right now, okay? I don't have hoodies in stock. I've got these 6 that J-Bone sent that we could do some giveaways with there. But I don't have hoodies in stock right now. Otherwise, yeah, we could customize that stuff and do it. But I don't have any in stock right now. J-Bones. Good night, dude. Anyways, random is best. Anmol Raj, thank you very much for another super chat. Really appreciate that, man. And I also hope that you have a good night as well. Thank you very much for hanging out with us today and being active in the chat. That's what I love to see, man. Hodl, baby. Hodl. Idle Darkness. Heck yeah. 400 million on Voyager. Roulette wheel being forced to hold that 400 million until Voyager decides to let our assets go, man. My gosh, man. Marvino, guarda o hoodie. Dude says, send me wine, keep the hoodie. I'm not gonna send you any wine, man. What are you talking about here? Let's see. I'll be sure to message with the specifics cost of a couple hundred shirts and such. I'm at work. Chris, cool, man. Cool. You can message me. You probably follow me on Twitter, right? It might be the easiest place to message. Or you can throw it... I actually don't know if you can DM me on Discord. I probably won't look on Discord, but Twitter would probably be an easier place to do it. Dark Bro, Anmol Raj, enjoy your night, man. When Tim Hogan for mod. Wrestler. The wrestler's back with the peach. Oh, man. What happened to the eggplant? Nobody knows what's going on right now. Wrestler. Tim soon? Soon Tim? Soon Wrench? I guess. That might be it. I don't know. Hopefully, LUNC is not like AMC. Listen, AMC, yes, has been in a tough time. Terra Luna Classic absolutely could turn into a longer-term hold and not as exciting as what it's been recently. That's an absolute possibility. This overall crypto market, you got to remember that Terra Luna Classic, over the last couple of weeks here, has really, really been moving a lot. But the overall crypto market is definitely, experiencing some tough times. Let's put it that way. Really getting hit at this level of resistance, really picking up at this level of support, and trying to decide where it's going. The overall crypto market is not in a good spot right now, and Terra Luna Classic, if it falls down in excitement, could absolutely start to look like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Shiba Inu coin and stagnate once again. We cannot let the excitement die if we want the price action to continue being exciting. It's unfortunately a cycle that we get into. And I'm going to tell you right now, if this little line right here does get broken, we might be seeing a decent run. At least back up into the 30,000s there. If Terra Luna Classic's able to break this little level of resistance that we got here, and potentially a breakthrough right here. So let's watch that to see if it breaks up through there. Clay, do you think LUNC is dead? I think actually because Kwon is gone, people are going to buy LUNC and shortly start the burns. So what do you think? Me, bro, I don't think it's dead. I think this is kind of what I was expecting to happen last week, right after staking was enabled. I was expecting some sort of a stagnation period leading into the burns. I don't know what the deal is, but people can barely stay excited about anything for more than a day. And I don't know if it's because, dude, we've got all this short-form content that people consume, and everything is just like 5 seconds. People can only focus on something for so long these days. If that's the case, then we're going to have to wait until right before September 20th and the burns come out for any level of excitement to jump back in. But I don't think it's dead yet. I'll think it's dead if the burns start, we get 10 million coins burnt, and then everybody sells off and says this stuff is trash. If that happens, We may be burning a lot of bridges to people who might not want to come back. Bro, I'm not leaving. Is there another Dark Bro? Heck no, Dark Bro. Idle Darkness was here, maybe? I might have said your name instead of Idle Darkness. I might have said it's Dark Bro. Peach it, Clay. Peach it. The good word. Oh, yes, man. Always peaching the good word. Let's see. AMC is the one. It will come. Not selling just because it hasn't happened yet. Yeah, AMC is one of the only positions. AMC might be the only position that I haven't sold or shaved in the last year and a half. AMC is still in my portfolio, and at this point, I really don't think that I ever will sell it. I think it just might be stuck in there. Clay, bro, what do you expect from the Fed meeting next week? I'm expecting 75. I'm expecting 75, JJ. I'm expecting 75 until... I don't even know when until. I'm expecting 75 throughout the rest of the year. If I have to justify why... I'm going to say because inflation is coming down, so they might start to think that increasing interest rates is working. But it didn't come down as much as they had anticipated it to come down, so therefore they're going to continue beating it. I don't think 1 full percentage point is out of the question because it's not dropping as analysts are expecting. It's dropping rather slow, but I think that they're going to continue doing what they're doing. That's my rationale behind why I would expect a 75 basis point increase as opposed to the 1 or the 50 basis point. Let's see. AMC Trapper coming in 1 full basis point increase. Not an impossibility, man. Not an impossibility. This year, all crypto is boring and annoying. I can't wait till this flies. I just hope next year is not a mirror of this one. 2020, 222, yeah. I agree with you on that, man. I absolutely hope that we get some life breathed back into the crypto space soon, too. Wrestler, and I don't know why you got... Oh, Wrestler, man, thank you for the super chat, but I don't know why you have to scare me. Oh, scare me like that. Wrestler, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, and that is definitely one of the best... Oh, super stickers. AMC Trapper coming in trying to scare me right now with the head rush of oxygen. Oh my gosh, AMC Trapper, thank you very much. Wrestler, thank you very much for the super stickers. Really appreciate you guys bringing me back to life with that oxygen there. Loving it, man. I was getting sleepy for a second, but now these guys gave me that head rush and we're good to go. Yes, it's all over Google about the AMA. Ask me anything with Binance and the Terra Classic team. Very nice, Genie. I absolutely hope that if they have an AMA between the Binance team, they're the Binance team. Doesn't give them the stupid corporate answers that point you in no direction whatsoever. Can you pull up the Ethereum chart? Rozzy, absolutely. We can take a look at Ethereum down here in the bottom left right now. 1 minute chart, 1 hour chart. Not exactly sure which one you want to look at, but the 1 hour chart, this would be the inflation hit, I think, yesterday morning. 9:13, yes, 9 a.m., yeah. So this is the inflation hit yesterday morning when the inflation data was released, and bringing it back down from that level of resistance almost all the way back down to this level of support right here. So Ethereum down on the bottom left right now on a 1 hour chart. To where did you get your handsome jeans, Clay? Actually, where are these from? Old Navy. Old Navy. These jeans are from Old Navy. They're actually very comfortable too. And a nice solid black. So weird being called a wrestler. Wrestler. It probably would be weird calling a wrestler, isn't it? What happened with KuCoin? Ask me anything. Arthur. I did not see the KuCoin ask me anything. Both. Rozzy says both. 1 hour chart and 1 minute chart. Not sure. Not classic. Something. Ethereum. No, this is not Ethereum Classic. This is Ethereum right here. KuCoin AMA is tomorrow. Jasper, gotcha. What I am doing is the money I make from Doge, I put in AMC to try and bring my price down. Thank you, Doge. Thomas, yes, man. Anytime you can make some money somewhere and continue to dollar cost average down on another asset is a solid move, man. A solid move, especially if you're looking at a long-term investment. So if you do plan on holding AMC or any other asset for that matter long-term, dollar cost averaging in like that is always a positive, especially if you're generating that income from another investment. And it's not just money you're taking out of your bank to invest on a regular basis from your paycheck. Is this Do Kwon? No, I'm not Do Kwon. Handsome jeans, not jeans. Junie Games. Those are play on words. Riptide Redemption. Thank you very much for the super chat. Just stopping in to give Trapper his hot dog. Trapper, are you hungry, man? Because you've got a hot dog here, and you take that hot dog and you dip it. You dip it in your favorite dip, and when you're done dipping that hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove it. One bite. Riptide Redemption providing lunch and dinner for AMC Trapper today. Absolutely loving it, Riptide. Thank you. AMC Trapper, thank you for wanting a hot dog, man. Do Kwon. When is 1.2% tax start? Anthony D, the 1.2% tax is set to start on September 20th. I do not know what time during the day that it will start, but September 20th is the time there. You know what I want to see? I want to see if that Ethereum counter is still saying about the same time. 9 hours and 49 minutes. Okay, so it does seem to be slowing down a little bit. If you're looking at that Ethereum merge counter right there, it was it for 1 a.m. or was it for midnight? Because now, 7 hours is going to take us to midnight. 2 a.m. Almost 3 a.m. So it looks like it's going to be almost 3 a.m. Eastern time now. I don't know. So it does look like it has slowed down slightly with that Ethereum countdown. The merge beginning around 3 a.m. there, if you guys are interested in the Ethereum merge. Whoa! I don't even know what kind of language that is. If anybody knows, let me know. Let's see. Shiba is not making me that much, but it's my baby stock trying to raise into my great 5-year plan. Thomas, heck yeah, man, and I hope it absolutely works for you. What the heck were you doing with that hot dog? Look quite suspicious. I was dipping and shoving, man. You take the hot dog and you dip it in your favorite dip, and then you just shove it. As simple as that. It's how you eat. Isn't that how you eat a hot dog? I thought everybody ate hot dogs like that. Let's see. It's buff stuff. Remember me. Buff stuff. Everybody remembers buff stuff. Hey, what if they created a SHIB 2.0 with 1.5% auto burn on purchases and sales and migrate all of us over? Just putting it out there. Remy, here's the thing about that I'm concerned about, that I don't know if they could. So usually, if you migrate people over, the way you do that is you still retain control over your contract. And you were to say, all right, we're shutting Shiba Inu coin down, and we're open Shiba Inu coin 2.0. If you trade your Shiba Inu coin 1.0, then it's going to be just burnt. 100% burn tax. It's worthless now. So you gotta migrate over, and any wallet address that holds Shiba Inu coin will be airdropped Shiba Inu coin 2.0. The problem is they don't have control over that contract anymore. They couldn't do something like that to make Shiba Inu coin worthless. They could create a Shiba Inu coin 2.0. And they could airdrop it to everybody, and it would be different, right? It would be difficult to do that if they're trying to airdrop it to people's wallets in centralized exchanges. You would need centralized exchanges to be on board, the same way they were on board when Terra Luna Classic forked off or whatever, became a different coin than Terra Luna 2.0, and everybody that was holding Terra Luna Classic was airdropped Terra Luna 2.0. It would be similar to that, where you would receive your Terra Luna 2.0 or your Shiba Inu coin 2.0. But it's tough, man, because I think these centralized exchanges know the Shiba Inu coin development team didn't invent Shiba Inu coin. Like, that's the problem that I think that they would have with that. And at that point, you would have a worthless Shiba Inu coin 2.0. So you would have to try and create the value for the 2.0 while people are still interested in Shiba Inu coin 1.0. JJ, you already know what time it is. Oh, yes, I do. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? You better be hard like a diamond right now. Oh my gosh, you better be hard like a diamond. JJ, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Who asked that? Dead something. I don't even know. Riptide Redemption, remember me? I don't even know who asked what now. Something's crazy. We're going to go back to the Terra Luna Classic chart over here to see if anything's going on. We need some more green lines. Getting rejected off this resistance once again. Forget it, man. Take the line off so I can break through this time. It used my line and it just made it come back down. If Do Kwon ends up in jail, will that rocket Luna Classic faster? You know, I don't necessarily think so, Anthony. I don't necessarily think that Do Kwon ending up in jail would rocket Terra Luna Classic. However, let's go through the possibilities of how it could rocket Terra Luna Classic. Okay. If Do Kwon ends up in jail, we can safely make the assumption that Do Kwon did something illegal, and therefore that's why he's in jail. If we find out that what he did that was illegal is what caused Terra Luna Classic to be destroyed in the first place, or at least contributed to it, if that's what we find out, picture this. We find out that Do Kwon was the reason Terra Luna Classic was destroyed. Not necessarily some sort of an arbitrage or an exposure or an exploitation, but it was because of Do Kwon. If that's the case, people will see, oh my goodness, Do Kwon's out of the picture. Terra Luna Classic actually could be repegged and work. And I don't know, I'm just spitballing. Like if Do Kwon's greed, because you guys might get greedy too, right? If you're in charge of $60 billion and you're skimming, people were saying he was skimming $80 million a month off the top. If we find out that greed really was a factor that led to the destruction of Terra Luna Classic, and that's what caused the problem, and that problem is fixable, and we can burn Terra Luna Classic down now, re-implement staking, get this coin back to what it was, I believe a lot of people would, at that point, jump on, and we would really see a massive rally. So that's how I would picture Do Kwon being sent to jail, causing a rally or Terra Luna Classic to rocket. Other than that, if it's just the fact that, like, he created a risky asset. He goes to jail because he created a risky asset and didn't explain the risk to people who ended up losing a lot of money in it, and therefore, you know, they wanted to blame somebody and put him in jail for it. I don't think that would really cause a rally. Dark bro, when LUNC runs, baby. You know what that means? That means we run to the money and get hard like a diamond. Dark bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Facts on that. Anybody else run with that money, getting hard like a diamond? Boom, baby. Oh, yes. I know Dark Bro is. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Do Kwon got picked up already. No, not already. Not already, Pudgy. I think he's still chilling nicely in Singapore right now. Not really worrying at all about an arrest warrant in South Korea. Just because he gets arrested doesn't mean he's guilty. He is just suspected as being guilty and has stood upon himself to representation that he's not guilty or pled guilty. Yeah, exactly. Third Eye Joe, man. Exactly. That's why I'm saying the only way that this arrest could really come to do something, in my opinion, for Terra Luna Classic is if we find out that Terra Luna Classic fell apart because of something Do Kwon did. That's the only way that I can see it really being a catalyst, man. Elon Musk being behind Shiba Inu, a rumor. What do you think, bro? Any truth to it? Lasha, I'm going to say no. Okay, I'm going to say no. A lot of rumors have no truth to them. So I'm going to say no on that one. Any type of arrest would be the worst case scenario, in my opinion. At least it's been the case for a lot of other coins and stocks. Anytime lawsuit or convictions are involved. Yeah, Batman, I think it would be terrible for Terra Luna 2.0, which is still being ran by Kwon. Not necessarily as bad for Terra Luna Classic, in my opinion, because I think we've already detached Kwon from Classic. Please, Clay, do you think Kwon is good at Taekwondo? Facts. Everybody. You guys can be like, oh my god, this idiot, he's just categorizing everybody that is Asian right now. So I don't even know if I could say that without you guys getting mad. Yes, Kwon, he's good at Taekwondo, simply because of his name being Kwon. Oh, jeez. How long until Terra Luna Classic pumps? Harry Potter. I think we're going to wait and see until about September 20th, man. Then that's what we're going to be looking at. Claybro Rocket, King Cobra, let's make it, man. I would go to prison, a prison documentary, and he agrees. Would this help promote the crypto space? You guys are thinking way too far ahead, man. You guys are thinking, like, they're not going to do a prison documentary until, like, 2025 on that, dude, if at all. You guys are thinking too far ahead right now. But yes, that's a possibility. Guys, how is it? It's already 5 o'clock. Look, today has been a very busy day, and it's actually going to stay busy. If you guys are on TikTok and you swing by, I may be doing a TikTok live a little bit later. Not sure. I've been promoting a little bit more time or setting a little bit more time aside to do some stuff over there, trying to grow as well. Getting some of these younger kids that just scroll through and get fed a lot of crap all day long on TikTok. Trying to get them over here to the YouTube channel to hang out with us big boys, right? So they can learn something and not just be fed. So if you guys do scroll through and see me, say hi over there. But right now we're going to do some shout outs. We will be back later with videos at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Really appreciate everybody being active and positive in the chat today. Absolutely awesome. But let's do these shout outs and then videos in 2 hours and videos in 3 hours. AMC Trapper, man. Peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Lunatics. Harry Potter, Third Eye Joe, Riptide Redemption, Juna Games. See you later. Is C.E. Inglaze, 6-4, man. See you later. Matthew, Harry Potter, Anthony, Dark Bro, Remy, Idle Darkness, C, Tim, Matt, Sean, DD214. Man, you guys get it faster, get it faster. You want a shout out? You gotta get it faster because I'm gonna go as soon as that chat slows down. What are you doing? Tim, enjoy your evening, man. J-Bones, I want to say once again, thank you. And you guys better start sucking up to J-Bones right now. If you want one of those hoodies, we're gonna figure out how to give those hoodies away here. And so you guys can have them for the fall and absolutely enjoy them. Batman Dude, see you later. Matthew, Chris, Idle Darkness, T-Plays, see you later. Jesus, see you later, man. Riptide Redemption, C, Pudgy, JB, Uncle, Chicken, 1337, bye, bro. SD, see you later, my good friends. Absolutely, everybody. Look at SD, man. Good friends with everybody in here. I love it. Justin, Moji, see you later. Tiki, 1979 USA, Remy, True North Tactical, Daniel Jack, Idle Darkness. Anybody else in here wants it? Robert wants it. So everybody knows what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. You guys know I can't leave if I see if I see a super chat. Fist bump. We got Mike, man. Mike. Mike, man, thank you very much for that super chat. I will never miss one, guys. I will never miss one. Mike, really appreciate that, dude. Even though you're cutting it close, man. Cutting it very close. Coming in after hours right now. Appreciate you, Mike, and thank you very much once again. Matthew, AMC Trapper, Juna Games, Mo, Juna Games, keep them in here. Oh, yes. Now you guys know what time it is again. So if you'd like to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.